Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. So let's get started. First, it's important to know that Instagram supports only 1:1 or 4:5 aspect ratios. If your photos are larger, Instagram will automatically crop them. To prevent this, we will need an app called InShot, and it's available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So once you have installed InShot, open the app and tap Photo, select a photo, and at the bottom left, tap Canvas. Here you can choose either 1:1 square or 4:5 portrait to fit Instagram's requirements. After selecting the ratio, tap the check mark. Next, you can customize the background by tapping the background option. You can choose a color, blur effect, or any style you like to complement your image. Once you're happy with the adjustments, tap the check mark again. Now tap Save at the top right to export the photo to your gallery. Repeat this process for each photo you want to post. After editing all your photos, check your gallery to see the exported images. Now you are ready to upload them to Instagram without any cropping issues. Simply select multiple photos when creating your post and choose the edited images. And that's it, guys. That's how you can actually post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.